Hello, everyone. This is Kush Mangat, and I wanted to show something a little different. So with all the automation and functionality that we have within Vision One, I wanted to quickly show you how you can be more proactive versus reactive in your sweeping and your threat hunting. So we have inside the workbench or the XDR portal here our observed attack techniques. And here we have everything that everything in the environment that touches on the MITRE tactic or the technique, right? So from here, we are able to dig a little bit deeper into the environment and find different correlations. So for example, if you were in a workbench and there was a certain technique that you wanted to see could potentially be somewhere else in the environment, but a workbench wasn't created for that. So you can come into here and actually search by a tactic or a technique ID to be able to see if any of the endpoints actually, are associated with that. But you also do have a ton of different information in here to help with investigations. You're still able to do some mitigation from here as well, as far as adding certain things to a block list or the exceptions list. And this is all all this information is at your fingertips. So thank you.